Welcome you guys to JD's English Club. Let's practice some romantic sentences. ମୁଁ ସବୁବେଳେ ତୁମ ଭାବନାରେ ବୁଡ଼ି ରୁହେ. I always immerse in your memories. I always immerse in your memories. ତୁମ ସ୍ମୃତି ମୋତେ କଷ୍ଟ ଦେଉଛି. Your memories are tormenting me. Your memories are tormenting me. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ଉପରେ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଭରସା ରଖିଛି. I have put all my faith in you. I have put all my faith in you. ତୁମେ ରାଜି ହୁଅ କି ନ ହୁଅ ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ପାଏ. No matter if you agree or not, I love you so much. No matter if you agree or not, I love you so much. ପ୍ରେମ ଲୁଚେଇଲେ ବି ଲୁଚେନି ବା ପ୍ରେମକୁ ଲୁଚେଇବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲେ ଲୁଚେଇ ହୁଏନି. Love cannot be hidden by trying to hide it. Love cannot be hidden by trying to hide it. ମୋର ହୃଦୟ କଥା ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିପାରିଲିନି. I could not tell her the state of my heart. I could not tell her the state of my heart. ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ନିଜର ହେବାକୁ ଲାଗୁଛ. You are becoming one of my own. You are becoming one of my own. ପ୍ରଥମ ଥର ପାଇଁ ମୋ ସହିତ ଏମିତି ହୋଇଛି. This is the first time it has happened to me. This is the first time it has happened to me. ହୃଦୟ କଥା କହିବାକୁ ମୋତେ ସମୟ ଲାଗିଗଲା. It took time for matters of the heart to be spoken. It took time for matters of the heart to be spoken. ମୋତେ ବହୁତ ସମୟ ଲାଗିଗଲା କହିବାକୁ ଯେ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ପାଏ ବୋଲି. It took me so long to tell her that I love her. It took me so long to tell her that I love her. ଯେବେ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖେ ମୋର ହୃଦୟର ସ୍ପନ୍ଦନ ବଢ଼ିଯାଏ. My heart beats fast when I see her. My heart beats fast when I see her. ଯେବେ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାକୁ ଗଲି ସବୁ କିଛି ଭୁଲିଗଲି. I just forgot everything when I went before her. I just forgot everything when I went before her. ତୁମ ସ୍ମୃତି ମୋତେ କନ୍ଦେଇବ. Your memories will make me cry. Your memories will make me cry. ତୁମ ପାଖରୁ ଦୂରେଇ ଯିବାର ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣା ମୁଁ ସହିପାରିବିନି. I can't bear the pain of being apart. I can't bear the pain of being apart. ତୁମେ ଯିବାକୁ ଏତେ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ କାହିଁ ହେଉଛ? Why are you in such a rush to leave? Why are you in such a rush to leave? ଆଉ ଟିକେ ରୁହ. Please stay a little while. Please stay a little while. କେବେ ବି ଅଲଗା ହୁଅନି. Never be apart. Never be apart. ଯେବେ ତୁମେ ଏଠି ନଥାଅ କିଛି ବି ଭଲ ଲାଗେନି. When you are not here, nothing seems fine. When you are not here, nothing seems fine. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସୁନ୍ଦର ମୁହଁ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ତୁମକୁ ଖୋଜୁଛି. I am searching you to see your cute face. I am searching you to see your cute face. ଦିନେ ତୁମେ ଏକା ହୋଇଯିବ ବା ଯଦି ଆମେ ଏମିତି ବି କହିବା ଦିନେ ତୁମକୁ ସମସ୍ତେ ଏକା ଛାଡ଼ିଯିବେ. One day you will be left alone. One day you will be left alone. ପ୍ରେମ ସହଜରେ ମିଳେନି. Love is not found so easily. Love is not found so easily. ମୁଁ ଏକାକୀ ହୋଇ କାନ୍ଦେ. I go and cry in solitude. I go and cry in solitude. କାଲି ରାତିରେ ମୁଁ ଶୋଇପାରିଲିନି। I could not sleep yesterday night. I could not sleep yesterday night. ମୁଁ କେବଳ ଖାଲି କର ବଦଳାଉଥିଲି। I just kept tossing last night. I just kept tossing last night. ମୋର ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣା ମୁଁ କାହାକୁ କହିବି? Whom should I say my pain? Whom should I say my pain? ଏହା ଶବ୍ଦରେ କହିବା କଷ୍ଟ। It's hard to put into words. It's hard to put into words. ଧୋକା ଖାଅନି କି ଧୋକା ଦିଅନି। Neither deceive nor be deceived. Neither deceive nor be deceived. ଆଜିକାଲି ମୁଁ ଭାବନାରେ ହଜିଯାଏ। Nowadays I stay lost. Nowadays I stay lost. ଲୋକ କୁହନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ପ୍ରେମରେ ପାଗଳ ହୋଇଯାଇଛି। People say I've gone crazy in love. People say I've gone crazy in love. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed these sentences. So please like this video if you find it helpful and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you and take care. Bye.